bit of hay. Oh yeah, this is what I'd look like if I had hair. Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Aldi UK vegan hamper. I'm really excited about this. It's the first ever vegan hamper that I've purchased. As far as I'm aware, it's the first ever vegan hamper that Aldi have ever done as a supermarket. The reason that they've done it is basically because there's a demand for it. Veganism's on the rise. More and more people are going vegan every day, which obviously is incredible. And they've produced a hamper because they know that people are going to buy it, or they know someone that they can buy it for. I think that's just brilliant. I ordered my hamper when it first got announced back, I think it was October. It got delivered within a couple of days. I'm really impressed by the speed in which it became available and got delivered to me. Can't remember exactly what is contained in the hamper, so it will all be pretty new to me really in terms of like my reaction to it. I imagine that demand for it will be quite high. If you do want to get one, I'd say order one sooner rather than later to avoid disappointment. The hamper itself is available for £29.99. So enough talking, let's open it. So this is the huge box that it came in. Oh, so this is lovely. I'm gonna just hold it up. Just hold that flap down. It says the Vegan Collection hamper. It's a beautiful wicker basket that it comes in. Very sort of premium. Hopefully the items inside the hamper match the quality of the hamper. All right, so yeah, good size. My head isn't too big, so just so you've got a dimension usage. So you get like a lot of these sort of hay material all over me. So let's have a look. Before we even get into the actual products and the items, you can definitely keep this hamper and use it for something else. See, the benefits just keep on coming. It is a little bit messy. So before I open this, just look. I mean, it's got a lovely little belt buckle on both sides. It's a really nice touch, I think. I hope that these belt buckles are vegan friendly. Lots of items. Looks great. All right, so I'm gonna go through these items like one at a time. I think there's 10 in total. The first item is a Mosa Roth 85% cocoa dark chocolate. Looks like really good quality. Before I was vegan, I would often use Aldi for my chocolate. I know that Mosa Roth is a really high quality chocolate. It's great to see that these sort of items are still available for me. Ooh, there's also some strawberry creams. These are strawberry flavor fondant coated in luxurious dark chocolate. I'm gonna try one. What time is it? Yeah, I mean, it's 11. That's a reasonable time to have chocolate, I think. Oh, they smell good. They smell very good. Oh, I could eat this whole box. I think there's about 10 of these inside. Really nice. We've got some vegan chocolate chip cookies. Now, this box is a little on the battered side. I don't know if that's to do with the delivery specifically for mine, or whether it was actually packed this way. Accidents do happen, but it's not the best of boxes, especially if it was a gift. Vegan chocolate chip cookies. Again, another treat. At Christmas time, now's the time to treat yourself. We put up our tree yesterday, probably about 2 weeks earlier than we normally would. End of the day, it's been a tough year. We deserve Christmas sooner rather than later, so I say bring it on. Tree! All right, what else? Dominion Juicy Strawberry Gourmet Gummy Candies. Again, in a few weeks' time, I'm going to be doing a review specifically on vegan pick and mix, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, these look good. If you like strawberry stuff, then and you like chocolate, so far so good. We take this huge bit of hay. Oh yeah, this is what I'd look like if I had hair, and it was bright blonde and curly. I've just made a huge mess. If I don't hoover this up, I might not make it to Christmas itself. Right. Getting serious now. We are onto this Chilean Merlot. I don't know if Anna can hear me. She's downstairs. Her favorite wine. But yeah, I mean, I'm really looking forward to trying this. It is harder to distinguish which wine is vegan and which one's not. I've just had to check online. Some bottles will say vegan on them. I can't just open it now and just give it a swig and tell you what I think. There's got to be some class with the channel, so forgive me for not opening the bottle right now at 11 o'clock on a Sunday. As popularity increases, I think there'll be a lot more vegan wine. There's been a few that I've had to kind of say no to that I used to really enjoy, but then there's others that I really enjoyed and that surprisingly were just vegan, probably by accident. coincidence. What else? Oh, so we've got these beautiful medjool dates, but again, the packet is a little bit open. I'm gonna put it down to the delivery. I mean, some beautiful medjool dates. Again, you can use these in cooking. You can just eat them as they are. And these are specially selected ones as well, soft and succulent. So I'll probably use these more in my sauces and smoothies because they're great as natural sweeteners. Another great looking product. And we've got 3 items left. I'm counting 9 in total, plus obviously the hamper itself. We've got a Be Kind, vegan friendly fine chocolates, pink Himalayan salt caramel truffle. Oh, I mean, you know, salt and caramel, what a great combination. These are all just great gifts, and potentially you can order one of these hampers and put a few of these items together and give them to a vegan or yourself, perhaps for like stocking fillers as well. If you didn't want to give the whole hamper to a particular person, you could just put the truffles and the creams together, for instance, and that could make a really good sort of extra or like a stocking filler for someone who's vegan. And then coming on to Christmas Day itself, your very own free from Christmas pudding. So this one is gluten-free. It says on it that it's vegan, obviously quite high in sugar, but I mean, I can't imagine that a non-vegan Christmas pudding would be any less in sugar. Oh, hello. Here comes Beanie. And then last, but by no means least, there's this rich and fragrant Earl Grey tea with 50 tea bags in it. Now, I'm not a huge fan of tea, but I know someone who is. Again, this is especially selected, so obviously they're using the highest quality items in there. It's just a matter of time before she gets in the hamper. Or maybe that box. Yep, it was only a matter of time. So those are the items. A really nice collection of products, I think. A lot of sweet treats. These products are mainly sweet-based, indulgent-based, I'd describe them as. Now is the time to really, you know, sit back and enjoy yourself. I think there's a few items that I would have liked to have seen, alternatives to these sweet options. Perhaps like an alternative Christmas Day main dish. I'd have also liked to have seen something a bit different, you know, non-edible, things like vegan-friendly candles. But I think it's a pretty good start, really. I'd be very impressed with the hamper like this. I think it's a perfect gift. I mean, you could take like the hamper with you on Christmas Day. Well, probably not the whole hamper on Christmas Day, just turn up with a massive hamper to someone's house. But you can certainly take some of these items. You know, you could take your Christmas pudding if you're invited elsewhere. You know, you can use the hamper as well afterwards. You don't have to think, well, what chocolates can I get? What sweet treats can I enjoy over Christmas? You buy the hamper and it takes care of it. If you know someone that is vegan, I think it is an absolutely brilliant gift and a really thoughtful one too. It's definitely worth checking out on Aldi's website. Again, you can't buy this in the shops, it has to be online. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button and let me know in the comments as well, what did you think of the hamper? What items would you have liked to have seen in it that weren't this time? Don't forget to subscribe as well so you see more of my vegan related product reviews. Again, as soon as I knew that this was coming out, I ordered it straight away because I wanted to bring it to you first and give you my honest opinion on it. Have a wonderful Christmas and I will speak to you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.